Let's try to remove the plastic. Oh, it's just a community, and here's the phone. Good red color branding over here, and I think it will be a case over here. Yes, it's a TPU case. And the TPU case is a very good quality case over here, and this is a device, the OnePlus 7 Pro. I have the mirror gray ones over here, and here's some branding with the welcome logo over there, and you will get the warp charge over here. I'm looking for this one. Wow, it comes with the warp charge, and it's pretty good. And the cables is also the new cable over here. Yeah, it's a good cable, but I think there will be no 3.5mm connector in the box right now. Okay, let's see the main device. Okay, so we have the mirror gray. You know, it looks pretty good, and the display is fully okay. Here is the pop-up camera, and I think there is SIM tools over here, and the Type-C charger will be there. It's supported 30 watts charging, fast charging, and there will be a speaker. It's actually supported Dolby, that's why you will get another speaker over here. Okay, and first we boot it up. Oh, here comes the logo. I saw that the display quality is too good. It's looking so good. Okay, here comes the Oxygen OS. And as per PC Mag, the Oxygen OS is a top popular OS in the world right now. Here we start it. Okay, so we just skip it. Yes. Skip.
Wow.
So I think we have to skip it. Just skip it. Yes, you can see there is with 3 colors. You can go for the advanced one, the natural. I like the vivid one because it's enhanced the colors, and the quality is too good. You can choose if you go for the natural color. I think it's a good topic, and you can select your text over here. I think OnePlus set it will be good. And next, here is the phone. Oh
Wow.
I like this 3D wallpaper over here. It's too stunning. And first of all, I say about the display, wow, it's just a wow. Okay, it's 90 gigahertz refresh rate, and it's wow, just stunning. And we have to show the pop-up camera over here. So here is the back camera. You can have the wide angle lens over here. It's a normal, and it's the 3x optical zoom, and it has the pop-up camera. You can hit, and here is some information over here. Got it. And we have this one, the 6GB 128GB. It comes with the 3 camera, 48, 16 and 8 on the back, and it comes with the full Amoled 6.67 inch display, and CPU comes with Snapdragon 855. Okay, this is Oxygen OS. Okay, you will. So this is the display. This is the resolution. You can choose about the Quad HD Plus, and the FHD plus. If you go for the auto switch, it will automatically resolution about your batteries. It will automatically adjust it. The color situation I will vivid, natural, and advanced. Advanced is makes pretty unnatural, but you can adjust it. Vivid is good. So we have the dark theme also. You can make your phone to the dark theme, and it will save your battery. It's pretty good display. I like it. The display is superb, and you will think that the battery is also good. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery. So look about the SAR value. Its heads comes 1.18 and the body comes 0.606. It's good. And how, and you can record video up to 4K in 60 frames per second. And you'll get the portrait night shot over here. You get the portrait, and it's good. Okay, so I'll get it something the pop-up camera, and you can see something over here. Just close the camera over here.